Hey guys, it's me, Mob Assassin. Welcome back to Noise Lap 5. Today we are in the penultimate stage. Don't make a sound. I feel like this one will be pretty easy. It's pretty easy with Pepino, and I don't see a reason why it would be hard for the noise. It's also my last real attempt to get something first try. Like, this entire series, I haven't gotten a single lap done first try, and that'd be really nice if I did get this one. But oh well, we'll just see how it goes. Connection terminated. I apologize to you, Theodore, if you still even remember that name, about the hell you have been put through. You are not here to receive any form of reward, nor have you been challenged by the individual you assume, although you have been called. You have all been called here, into a labyrinth of lapsing themes, combos and enemies, a trial with one exit, a gauntlet with no prize. You do not even realize that you are trapped. Your lust for success has driven you in endless circles, attempting the evasion of enemies in some endless chase, the end seeming so near, yet somehow out of reach, so you will be freed soon enough. This is where your story ends, and to you, my brave vessel, who has been struggling and striving through every stage, there is a way planned out for you, but you have little time to reach it. I have a feeling that you are right where you want to be. I am remaining as well. I am nearby. This place will not be remembered, and the memory of every challenge we have fought through can now fade to the back of our memories, as every challenge does. You will be free from the challenges we have fought through. The tricks, texts, and strategies we have learnt finally made their full use, and you can rest, knowing your achievements. And to you, monsters trapped in these corridors, chasing us down these halls, give up on your pursuit. For most of you, I believe there is peace, and perhaps more, waiting for you after the smoke clears. Although for one of you, the darkest pit of hell has opened to swallow you whole. So don't keep the devil waiting, old foe, and I will see you all there, for one final battle, to end the war. Finally! Oh, the last chance I could have. I pulled through.